Okay, so here at my house, I've got the crappiest air conditioner like in the world over there. That is my upstairs unit. It is an American Standard Allegiance 11 series. It is serial number 31531JK5F, model number 2A7A1030A1000AA. It's 200 to 230 volts, manufactured in 2003, and yeah, it just sucks bad. I hate it.
We all hate it.
Yeah, that's my brother. He agrees too. So I'll give you the startup sound of it. Yeah, kind of sounds a little crappy. And this is my good unit.
Ruud.
This is the Ruud, or Ruud as some call it. I call it Ruud. High Efficiency Plus. This was the original unit installed in the house. There's that other crappy thing shutting off. This was the original unit that was installed in the house, and there was an identical one to it, but before we moved in, they replaced it. It is a 2-fan blade motor, and this is my downstairs unit. I'll give you the startup sound of it. Tanner, go turn the air conditioner on.
Okay.
Just a second, he'll be right back.
Man, that's a pretty good running air conditioner.
Yeah.
Unit, I mean.
This is my my favorite, and always will be. I need to get my mom to get some insulation for that cold Freon line right there, and that one too. And since this one's off, I'll show you the inside of it. This is a 3-fan blade motor with a thermally protected compressor. It's got orange insulation on it. It's kind of stupid. And it's got spine fan coils. This is the condensed drain, or evaporator drain, I should say, for the downstairs unit. And over here, just a second, is my evaporator drain for the upstairs unit right there. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.